Now see the next topic, work done. Actually, firstly we see the sign of the work done in expansion and in contraction. For expansion, W is negative, and for contraction, W is positive. For expansion, W is equal to negative, and for contraction, W is equal to positive. This sign is always placed. If expansion work is present, then it is negative, and contraction work is given, then the sign is positive. See here, we take all work done in one graph. All work done in one graph. Basically, two types of processes are present. One is the irreversible process and another is the reversible process. In irreversible process, equilibrium state is present at initial and final stage only, not in between initial and final stage. Equilibrium state means P external is equal to P gas and piston stops. So for irreversible process, no equilibrium is present in between initial and final stage. While in reversible process, equilibrium is present in each and every state in between initial and final state. If nothing is mentioned in the question, then a thumb rule is process is irreversible. If nothing is mentioned, then the process is irreversible. For reversible process, always mentioned in the question, like reversibly and isothermally, reversibly and adiabatically. In two processes, reversible processes are present, adiabatic and isothermal. In isobaric and isochoric process, no reversible processes are present. In isochoric process, work done is zero. Now, we take all the work done, either it is reversible or irreversible, in one graph. See here, we draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. These lines are the hyperbola. This line having steep curve, and this is a normal curve. When steep curve is present, then the process is adiabatic, and when normal curve is present, then the process is isothermal. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. What does it process? If you take P and V. This is the PV graph. Area under the PV curve is the work done. See here. A is the pressure is constant. So isobaric process. B is the isothermal process. C is the adiabatic process, and D is the isochoric process. Right? Supposing that in A work done is W1, W2, W3, W4. So what is the order of these work done? Without any calculation? So we know that area under the PV curve is the work done. So maximum work done in isobaric process, maximum work done in isobaric, then isothermal, then adiabatic, and in isochoric process zero work done is present. So the order of these work done is W1, W2, W3, W4. All questions are based on these concepts. Now calculation based question, we already told to you, if nothing is mentioned in the question, then process is irreversible. For reversible process always mentioned in the question, like reversibly and isothermally, reversibly and adiabatically. See here how we calculate it. In isobaric process only irreversible process is present, because it is the case of expansion, so the sign is minus P external. Always P external is used. And in vacuum, note down this point, in vacuum work done is 0 because P external is 0. If vacuum word is given in the question, then the work done is 0. Then the work done is 0 because P external is 0. Always work is done against the external pressure, not the P gas, And when we use P external and delta V, then pressure is present in atmosphere and delta V is present in liter. So we get the unit liter atmosphere, and it can be converted into liter atmosphere, can be converted into joule also, 101.3 joule. 1 liter atmosphere is equal to 101.3 joule. So in isobaric process only irreversible process is given, is possible, and it can be calculated as by this formula, and it can be converted into joule by using this conversion. In isothermal process, B is the isothermal process, W irreversible minus P external into delta V. Same manner. And W reversible (2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. W reversible is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1 or P1 by P2 use this formula. Adiabatic process, actually adiabatic process is not in course, but here we tell the formula. Irreversible, same thing. But if reversible processes are present, then the formula is Nr upon gamma minus 1. Gamma is the Poisson ratio. T2 minus T1. Here the sign is negative because T2 is less than the T1. So the sign must be negative. Gamma is the Poisson ratio. This is the Cp upon Cv ratio. For monoatomic gas, gamma is 1.67. For diatomic gas, gamma is 1.4. And for tri or polyatomic gas, 1.33. Is it clear? But it is not in course. For your knowledge, only formula should be remembered. And in isochoric process, work done is 0. This is all for the work done. Any question which is based on the work done can be done by these things. Calculation are done by this. Firstly, you select which process is given and then use the formula. And what is the process and what is the work done. In isobaric work done, maximum work is present, then isothermal, then adiabatic, and here work done is 0. All question can be solved from these things. All are in present. This is the gist of the work done. This is the gist of the work done. Now we see some question based on this fact. This is the question. So this question is already done. Which work done is maximum? Isobaric, isothermal, isochoric, adiabatic. So this is the answer. Isobaric work done is the maximum one, because maximum area is covered in under the PV curve. Isobaric, then isothermal, then adiabatic. Isochoric work is the minimum work, that is 0 work. Is it clear? Now we move to the next question. This question is already covered. See here. Work done during isothermal expansion of 1 mole of an ideal gas. 1 mole of an ideal gas from 10 atmosphere to 1 atmosphere at 300 Kelvin is gas constant is equal to 2. Actually this is the work done in calorie. So we can use the formula W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log P1 by P2, P1 by P2 or V2 by V1. So minus 2.303, how many moles? 1 mole, R is 2 calorie into 300 log 10 by 1, log 10 is 1, log 10 is 1, so it will be isothermal expansion, so work done must be in negative sign, so the option is wrong. It will be minus 600 to 30.3 into 6. एक 1381.8. This is the answer, but the sign should be negative here. Because this is the case of expansion, so sign must be negative sign. So third is the correct answer, but sign should be negative. Here something is wrong. In all options negative sign are placed. So this is the question 1381.8 kilocalorie. Now we move to the next question. An ideal gas expands in volume from 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter cube to 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter cube at 300 Kelvin against a constant pressure 1 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. The work done is. This is the simple question. Work done is equal to minus P external into delta V. Here minus 1 into 10 की power 5. Delta V is 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 minus 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Final minus initial. So it is minus 1 into 10 raised to the power 5. here common is 10 की power minus 3, 10 minus 1, so 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So it is minus 900 joule. Minus 900 joule, this is the answer. Third is the answer, not kilojoule. 900 joule is the correct answer, because Newton meter square and meter cube, it is equal to the joule. It is equal to the joule, so it is minus 900 joule. It is already no need for the conversion. No need for the conversion. It is already present in the joule. So is it clear? Now the next topic is entropy.